Howdy howdy, and welcome to TNT Evilution, map 24, Quarry. We are pistol starting on Ultraviolence, and we're going for all the kills and all the secrets, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna grab the shells, grab the shotgun, grab these shells, and then pick off a shotgunner and a zombie man in each hallway. There we go. And now here I'm gonna try to get infighting going if I can. And then we're gonna deal with this Hell Knight. Oh, good lord. He just wrecked something. Alright. I'm gonna go back and grab this health. Wow, there's still another shotgunner. Okay. Oh my good lord. This is a really bad spot to be in. They're still alive too. Okay. I'm gonna grab the armor. And then I think I'm gonna go in here first. I'm gonna get rid of a shotgunner, an imp, and then a chain gunner. So I can get his chain gun, then I will come back. I knew there was something coming, I could just feel it. Alright, now I'm gonna go into here, and I'm gonna deal with the Revenant. There we go. Okay, I'm also gonna go for this health. Come on, man. There we go. Barrels go boom. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna keep the chain gun out, deal with some kit scanners. Okay. Ooh, some health, nice. It's too far, okay. Really? There we go. I don't want to be in that Revenant's line of sight for too long, so let's grab everything down here. And I'm going to continue. Up! Up! Forgot the chain gun was out of ammo. Into here. And then we're going to open this for a secret. Get the super shotgun. And then tag another secret. Which we don't even need right this moment. Box of, Oh. Oh, you're up there. For some reason I thought I was on the Revenant side. Oh, good God. That should have done... That should have done more damage than it did. Is there a shotgunner up there? You know what? Let's just go. I'm gonna get myself killed. Screwing around. Take the elevator up. I'm gonna grab the partial invisibility, and then I'm gonna get the plasma gun. Really? That is a very bad angle. Look at that. Good lord. Alright. Continuing. I believe there's health up here. I can't remember what's on this side, but... Health. Alright, cool. That's what I needed. And there was that second secret we tagged. Let's see. Where were the tunnels at? Over here? I don't think it's this one that I want, though. Maybe it is that one. Maybe it's just from the other side. Alright, I'm gonna die trying this, so let's just hop in, get the rocket launcher. Oh my god. Okay. This is the tunnel I was looking for. It has a radiation suit inside. I don't know if I killed that imp or not. Now I'm worried. Okay. Looks like the imp is dead. Alright, now how do I get... I know where the last enemies are. I just forget how I'm supposed to approach. Oh, wait, never mind. I remember. It's because I did this earlier in the map and I thought I went all the way, but I did not go all the way. I just got the chain gun and turned around. So it's up here. Vulnerability for the win. I'm gonna use these rockets, because why not? Whoa, that was crazy. That was cool, actually. I should leave, like, one enemy, I think? No? Are you not in here? Did leave one enemy, but not what I... Oh, wait! I know exactly what it left. I totally forgot there is an enemy located in the exit room, so... let's take this elevator. I'll use the plasma. I believe that is enough to put one bony boy down. Definitely enough. And there's the exit. Another short TNT map. Gotta love that. All the items, too. Nice. Would you just look at it. 8:15. Not bad. Not bad. I'm liking these less than 10-minute maps. Yeah, that one, just like the last one. I kind of enjoyed that one. Not great, mind you, but definitely not bad. Definitely not the worst TNT has to offer, so... not a slog, and I appreciate that. So yeah, overall, I think that's a decent map. It's actually... for the layout that it has, I don't typically like those kinds of, like, maps, the enclosed, tight space cave maps. That's not a terrible map, though. It's got some decent stuff. But yeah, that is map 24, Quarry. And next up, Baron's Den.